Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Dr. the Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, was the keynote speaker at the 21st staging of the Jamaica Stock Exchange Regional Investment Conference being held for the next 2 days at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Dr. Holness outlined that despite a massive reconstruction effort that is still underway, Jamaica has strategically managed to withstand the financial devastation of the region's most powerful hurricane in recorded history. And I quote, "We know that there will be a fallout in our debt ratios based on the loans we have received for the rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa. However, we have an opportunity to build back better," end quote. As the conference unfolds, you can watch the live stream right here on PBCJ. The government of Jamaica is projecting a sharp slowdown in the economy arising from the impact of Hurricane Melissa. In a memorandum sent to the board of the International Monetary Fund, the government forecasts a 4.3% decline in economic activity and inflation of 9.5% for fiscal year 2025 to 2026. The document was submitted to secure approval for a US $415 million drawdown from the IMF's rapid financing instrument to help meet urgent balance of payments needs after the storm devastated foreign exchange earnings and the savings sector. For the trading period of January 20, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 8,692,366 units, or 40.97% of market sales activities. Edufocal Limited with 1,469,619 units, or 6.93% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 1,142,781 units, or 5.3% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, construction, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 20, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.01 and buying at $156.55. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 41-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar was sold for $113.20 and was bought for $112.79. In the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.10 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $213.82 and was bought for $208.72. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, access cash without waiting on your credit report. If you own shares, you may be able to put them to work immediately by using them as collateral instead of selling them. This strategy, known as pledging shares, allows you to borrow against the value of your stock portfolio while keeping your investment intact and participating in future growth. Whether your holdings are on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, or the Toronto Stock Exchange, the rule is simple. If your shares have value, they can help you access capital. Use your portfolio to fund growth, expand a business, or seize opportunities now without liquidating your assets or relying solely on traditional credit.